Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Venu 2 Plus, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the Garmin Connect application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Garmin Connect application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the app, tap on More, then scroll down and find the Garmin Devices option. Once you find it, tap on it. And here you should see your Venu 2 Plus watch on the list of devices. Tap on it to select it. Now tap on Sounds and Alerts, and here find the Smart Notifications and select it. And as you can see, we have the settings for our notifications. We have general use, during activity, timeout, privacy, and manage app notifications. First, let's tap on general use. Here you can enable and disable the notifications and select the type of notifications you want to receive. And this is basically for general use. So when you're using your watch normally, not tracking any activity or not recording any workout. Next, we have during activity. So basically when you're recording a workout or tracking activity on your watch. And you can also enable or disable the notifications for that time. You can also select the types of notifications you want to receive. Next, we have the timeout. This allows you to select for how long the notifications stay on the screen after you receive them. And you can select medium, long, or short. Next, we have the privacy. And this allows you to select either action button or gesture, so wrist gesture. And if you select action button, you will need to press the action button to display the content of the notification. And gesture, you will need to perform the wrist gesture to display the content of notification. And of course, off option, it means that it's disabled. And manage app notifications, here you can enable the notifications for specific apps. And as you can see, if you don't have required permission enabled, you will see the pop-up on the screen that you need to allow the notification access. So tap on allow. And you also probably will see the pop-up about other permissions. If you see it in the notifications, right here, tap on it, tap on OK, and allow the required permissions. And now you should see the app notifications basically. And here you can see the list of apps installed on your phone, and you can enable and disable notifications for specific apps. And how it works is basically if you enable or notifications for an app, for example, let's say settings, or settings don't give too much notifications, let's say Gmail, and you receive the notification from Gmail on your phone, that notification will be forwarded to your watch. But if you disable it, the notification will be displayed on the phone, but it won't be forwarded to your watch, so you won't see it on your watch. Okay, so enable and disable notifications for the apps you like, and once you're done, go back to the device page. You will see settings saved successfully, and the watch will start syncing with your phone. So let's wait until it's done syncing, just in case I'm gonna resync them together. And now we can close the app, and we should be able to receive the notifications on our watch. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. For some reason the notification didn't pop up on the screen of our phone, so let's troubleshoot this. It is here, so I'm gonna try again. Okay, so we're gonna open the quick panel. I'm gonna turn on the do not disturb mode, turn it off. I'm gonna also turn on the Bluetooth, or rather turn it off and then turn it on. And one more thing, I'm gonna resync the watch with the phone again. So I'm gonna tap on the resync button right here. Okay, it's still syncing, so let's wait. And it's done. Okay, so let's try now. Still no pop-up on the phone, so I'm gonna open the settings. Go to the notifications, go to app settings, select the Discord, and see if something is disabled. It seems that everything is enabled, so I'm gonna disable it for now, wait a couple of seconds, then enable it back on. I check the bubbles, should be okay. Now it should be working, so I'm gonna reopen the app, check the notification settings. Okay, there's nothing to see here. Okay, let's try again. What else could be a problem? It should be working, to be honest, but for some reason the notification doesn't want to pop on the phone, which is weird. No, this time it worked, and it worked on our watch, so maybe we just had to wait a couple of seconds for it to basically apply, but as you can see now it's working. So as you could see, I was trying to troubleshoot the problem. I tried to turn off the Bluetooth, turn it back on, sync the watch, sync it again. I even turned on the do not disturb mode to mute all of the notifications and turned it off to basically unmute them. But after a couple of things we tried, it started working. So sometimes maybe just the patience, I don't know, but as you can see it is working, so that's good. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.